Hello kids, welcome to the class. So today we are going to learn the topic factors and multiples. So first I'll take the term factors. So what does factors mean? A number that divides another number exactly leaving no remainder is called a factor. What does this mean? I'll take one example. Let's take 6. Now when I write 6, I have to think of all the tables, that is one table of 1, table of 2, table of 3, and you have to think in whose table does number 6 go. So we all know that number 6 goes in table of 1, 2, 3. It doesn't go in 4, 5 and directly goes in number 6. So over here 1, 2, 3 and 6 will be the factor of 6. Understood? Okay, so here basically what you have to think is when they are asking you factor means now you have to directly go to the tables. Okay, so you have to think of all the numbers in whose table that number which is present in your question goes in. Now I'll take one more question. Let's say 10. Okay, when I write number 10, I have to think of all the table in whose number 10 goes. So it goes in table of 1, it goes in number of table 2, it doesn't go in 3, 4, but it goes in 5. Then 6, 7, 8, 9 doesn't go, directly it goes in 10. And no more. After the table of 10, there is no other table in which number 10 goes. So over here, the factors of number 10 will be 1, 2, 5 and 10. Okay? Factors of 10. So this is the meaning of factors. So when you see a word factors, that means you have to just go to the tables and you have to look into all the numbers in which that number goes. Okay? Now I'll quickly show you how to find the factors. Okay? I'll write number 6 and find the factor of 6. I'll show you how. First you write number 1 because definitely every single number goes in the table of 1. Now you think 1 into what will give you 6? 1 into 6, correct? Gives you 6. Now go to number 2. Does it go in the table of 2? Yes. 2 into what? 2 into 3. Now go to 3's table. 3 into what gives you 6? 3 2's are, which is already written. 2 into 3 and 3 into 2 both are same. Does it go in the 4 tables? No. 5 table? No. 6 tables? Yes. What? 6 1's are, and it is already written 1 into 6. That means over here what you will be doing is you will be just writing this number properly. 1, 2, 3, 6. So the factor of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. Now I'll take one little big number so that it will be perfectly easy for you to understand this. 36. It goes in table 1, which is 1 into 36. Okay. Now think of 2. Yes, it goes. What it is? 2 18's are 36. 3's table? Yes. 3 12's are. 4's table? Yes. 4 9's are. 5's table? No. 6 table? Yes. 6 6's are. 7 table? No. 8 table? No. 9 table? Yes. I have already written. 9 4's are. 10 table? No. Mostly go till only 10 because most of the time you are given question which will be under 10 only. Okay. So here you can stop. Now what you have to do is you have to write this all number properly in an ascending order. So I'll start with from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is not there, 6. Now 6 into 6. So you will write 6 only once. 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. So these are the factors of 36. So this was the meaning of factors. Now let's check the meaning of term multiples. It is very easy. Multiples is very easy. The meaning says a number that is a product of a given number and a whole number. Okay. Now what does this mean? In this multiples, you will be given question as find the 5 multiples of a given number, like for example 4, right? So the question will be find the first 5 multiples of 4. So you will first write 4. And what does the meaning say? A number that is a product of a given number and a whole number. So you will multiply this with any random whole number. if that random number is not given in the question. If they have mentioned that find the fifth multiple of 4 or find the sixth multiple of 4, then you have to multiply with that fifth or sixth. Okay, that is 5 or 6. But if it is not mentioned, then you can take any random number. I'll suggest go for a smaller number, and the answer that you will get, that is a product, will be the multiples. I'll take one question with regards to this. The question says find the first three multiple of 5. So what you are going to do? Here you will get 3 multiples. Okay, it is saying first 3 multiples. So what you are going to do is first start writing the table of 5. So 5 ones are 5. This is the first multiple. 5 2s are 10. This is the second multiple. And 5 3s are 15. This is the third multiple. So what are the first 3 multiples of 5? It is 5, 10, 15. Here they have mentioned that you have to write only first 3. So you cannot randomly multiply 5 with any number, because the question itself is saying you have to find the first 3 multiples. So this is the meaning, a simple meaning of multiples. I'll just now show you what is the difference between factors and multiples, which I have observed kids get confused very much. So I'll take 5 into 3. So when I write 5 into 3 and the answer which I get is 15. So over here 15 will be the multiples, and here 5 and 3 will be the factors of 15. So basically this is the difference. Product, you have to just remember, multiple means product. So product means this will be the answer 15, and the opposite of that will be the factors. So if I understood multiples, that this is multiples, then you will not get confused between what is factors and what is multiples. So I'll suggest just go and understand this multiple. Multiple is equal to, remember like that, multiple is equal to product. So product means the final answer. So if it is the multiple, that means the other two numbers will be the factors. And when you remember that, you will automatically remember the steps to find the factors. So I hope you have understood this. If yes, then do subscribe to my channel. Meet you in the next class. Till then, take care. Tada, bye-bye.